Welcome, fellow travelers. We're embarking on a breathtaking journey to HGV Borgo alle Vigne, nestled in the heart of Tuscany. This enchanting destination is not just a place, it's an experience that captures the essence of Italian beauty. This is a one-bedroom suite. First, we have the living area equipped with sleeper sofa and TV. Sleeper sofa would allow you to sleep for people in this room. Good for family of 4. It also has a dining table and kitchen with full appliances. Perfect for families interested in just relaxing by the pool and prepping own meals. I prefer to enjoy the local cuisine, which is delicious. Hidden in this closet is a washer. If you also need a dryer, a full laundry is available at the lobby. The bathroom is nicely finished, has a bidet and my favorite, a rainfall shower. The bedroom has a king bed with a dresser and closet. Enough space for all your clothes. The back doors open up to a cute little backyard where you can enjoy your morning coffee or breakfast. As we explore the rolling hills and lush vineyards, the landscape here is a painter's dream, with vibrant colors that shift with the seasons, creating a canvas that is both serene and invigorating. Each corner of Borgo alle Vigne tells a story, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. Let's take a moment to appreciate the stunning aerial views of the nearby town of Peccioli. From above, the views are breathtaking and just like you would imagine if someone described the rolling hills in Tuscany. You can see the terracotta rooftops and winding streets that have stood the test of time. This picturesque town is a perfect complement to the tranquility of Borgo alle Vigne, offering a glimpse into the rich history and culture of the region. Imagine strolling through its charming streets, discovering local artisans, and indulging in authentic Tuscan cuisine that warms the heart. Every detail immerses you in the beauty of Tuscany. Whether you're lounging by the pool or simply taking in the breathtaking views, you'll find that this place has a way of rejuvenating the spirit. It's a sanctuary where you can connect with nature and yourself, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.